Welcome back to DIYYolande. My name is Yolande and I do affordable DIYs here on YouTube. I know that many of us creators do not have the funds to purchase soft boxes that cost over 3,000 Rand. So here is an alternative that is 250 Rand. Yes, 250 Rand. Boxes are ideal for recording indoor videos, sit-down videos, makeup videos. So whenever you are recording and require lighting that is more than your natural light, then this is an affordable alternative.
Here are all the items you will need for this DIY. If you would like a detailed list, check the description box below. We'll need 4 boxes for 2 soft boxes, and this is not sponsored by Omo or Comfort. I got them at my local Checkers.
From each corner, you're drawing 25 centimeters.
Then 15 centimeters.
You can see that it has taken the shape. You repeat what you did here, you repeat it on the other side. One piece of cardboard takes out two sides of the 4 that you will need. And then you cut them out. So we've cut our 4 pieces and a square. So what we are going to do now is we stick on our double-sided tape throughout our shape here, and then we move on to sticking our foil. Let's do this. I've got this double-sided tape from Bargain and Basket, but you can get it from any craft and stationery store. So that the peeling process is easy, ensure you rub down all the corners on each side, so that when you pull out the top white part, the sticky part remains behind. So this is how we are sticking it. So we will repeat the exact same process on these, like this. Our next step, grab our aluminium foil. So the shiny side will be up, and then the not shiny side will lie flat against the double-sided, the top part of our double-sided tape, so that the sticky part comes out. Okay, ensure that doesn't happen.
And if it does, gently remove the foil.
Flip it over. Remove the excess foil. Then over. So be very gentle so that your foil does not tear. We're not going to waste this. We will use this on the other pieces. Take down the edges here so I don't keep flapping. Then repeat the exact same process on your other 3 pieces. Yay! So this is what they look like. Now we are going to assemble them. Need to ensure that it flaps like this, okay?
So that it's easy to join like this.
So remember this piece of cardboard, we are going to use it for the back end here so that it blocks out like this, right? And what we're going to do is I'm going to make a hole in the middle here, just a small hole for the cord for the light so that it can go through here. And then we'll hot glue gun it and then we'll seal it with Cellotape, and I'll present to you our softbox.
Now let's assemble our light fixture.
I hope you can see me behind these huge soft boxes. Let's find out how big they are. Are 51 centimeters. So each soft box has its own plug. It has its own globe. Please do tag me on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, and here on YouTube should you recreate this DIY. I look forward to hearing and seeing your project come to life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget, power tools have no gender. See you next time. Peace.